everybody, it's Lori. I got my new shipment in from Mochi. I ordered it on the 18th and it came today, and today is the 26th. It was actually supposed to come yesterday, but I got an email saying it was going to be a little bit late. Now, I originally ordered a 3-month supply, and I got an email not yesterday, but the day before, saying that they could only deliver it 1 month at a time. So this huge box is, I guess, for 1 vial. So we're gonna open it up. Get you a little bit better view here. In the box is this giant styro. So you see here's the styro and Power Pharmacy, Tirzepatide, 4 ml. Syringes and alcohol pads. Let's open this up and make sure that's what this is. So this is syringes and alcohol wipes. Card for the syringes and how to measure, instructions here, where to inject, and how do I get rid of needles, correct angles to hold the syringes. 1 cold pack, still cold. This little cold pack, cool at best. This cold pack is still cold, cool at best, cool at best, cool at best. And then I have my 1 vial, inject 0.88 ml, which is 88 units subcutaneously, once every 4 weeks. 17, I guess they're also, like Akita and Mochi, using a little bit higher dose. I'm trying to see if I could find the bud date on it. It's probably on the vial. Discard after 11/9/25. It's got the little vial, the little instructions. And here it is. So all this for 1 vial. Probably use this for a 6-pack or something. Hang on to those directions, the syringes, and pretty much this is it. So came cold. Again, a day late, but everything's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 syringes, so they did give plenty. And that's the unpacking.